Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the cutout picture in CapCut for PC. So you can use the cutout picture to remove the background automatically. So for example, I'm going to select my video and you can find the cutout option. Just click on cutout. So scroll down and select the auto cutout. Just turn on and wait. So you can see the background has been removed from the video. And yeah, you can add another background. Just click on the clip and move up and add another background from your gallery or just from canvas available. Alright, just put him from the video. So we go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.